Palladyne, they're based in Salt Lake City, Utah. They used to be called, I think back in 1983, when they started, they were called Sarcos Robotics.
Oh,
And they've been around for a long time, for 30 years, but they rebranded themselves in 24 to Palladyne. And what they do is create the software or the AI systems that attach to current robotic systems all the way from manufacturing to military. So
mm,
what does that mean? That means basically, to be quick, it allows robots to observe and learn and implement new tasks or more efficiencies automatically, as opposed to a current line that you would have a bunch of Fanuc robotic arms in a
hmm.
manufacturing facility, right? And so that takes a month or more for the guys to program those once they're on the floor to do their simple tasks they do, right? With the software that Palladyne has that's sold as a license, that is installed on older robotics, can be retrofitted, or it can go on new robotics, but basically allows the robot to find more efficiencies, to switch lines. Maybe we're going to move this big FANUC robotic arm over to a different assembly line, whatever. It can learn. So not over a matter of months of programming. We're talking about a matter of 10 minutes. Okay, so
So
that change
this is really using logic
actual logic.
to make
What we've been
changes.
calling AI this whole time, this is real AI. Yes.
Wow.
And so that's what their software, which is just incredibly becoming incredibly popular. I mean, they're a smaller company right now, but they've really just launched everything this year. And so to be able to retrofit the millions of robots that are already deployed is a huge deal. And these guys are the only ones doing it. Now, there's 500,000 robots being deployed right now every year, new robots, which this software, this AI can sit on top of those as well. So we're talking about
Wow.
going back, we're talking about going forward. And now their defense industry, which they're having a call today at 4:30 Eastern about the new Paladin defense systems. They're working with the military, F-35s, F-16s, Tomahawk, Bradley. Uh,
Wow.
these these guys are no joke. And so with this AI software, it can be plugged into manufacturing, industrial, military solutions. It's really very game changing. It's incredibly undervalued right now. They plan on spending 5 million over the next 12 months ramping up this build out for the defense industry, but they have a $10 million backlog as well to be fulfilled. So therefore, when the backlog revenues come through, that eats away at that $5 million burn, obviously. So we don't really have to worry too much about the cash burn in this situation. And with these new defense contracts, I mean, this is huge. This is across the spectrum. With what they already do for industrial and military defense, this AI is real AI, right? Not what we've been talking about. This really makes the robot interact and learn and make decisions.
Well, you know what? That's fantastic because as I sit around and talk with people, I'm always talking about use cases instead of how this is going to help me solve Wordle faster. You know what this is going to do to improve mankind and what have you. And this sounds like a real absolute use case that is happening right now. So let's leave it there for now. We'll look forward to hearing more about Palladyne going forward, especially this new defense group, and look forward to catching up with you again here before too awful long. So thanks for joining us, everyone, and thank you, Brian.
Thank you.